Now let us discuss the 9.5 question. The correct option for the value of vapor pressure of a solution at 45 degrees with benzene to octane in molar ratio. They given the molar ratio 3 is to 2. At 45 degrees, the vapor pressure of benzene is 280 and the vapor pressure of octane is 420 mmHg. Assuming the ideal gas, you have to assume ideal gas. We know that according to Raoult's law, here they are asking the total pressure. That means vapor pressure. P total equal to partial pressure of benzene into its mole fraction of benzene plus partial pressure of octane O into mole fraction of octane. Firstly, calculate the mole fraction of octane and mole fraction of benzene. Here they given the ratio 3 is to 2. It means 3 belongs to benzene, 2 belongs to octane. Here, mole fraction of octane is equal to uh, octane, its value is 2 by total 3 plus 2. It becomes 2 by 5. Then mole fraction of benzene equal to 3 by 3 plus 2. It becomes 3 by 5. We know that partial pressure of benzene equal to 280 mmHg and partial pressure of octane equal to 420 mm of Hg. Now substitute all these values in the given formula. P total is equal to P naught B. Partial pressure of benzene is 280 into mole fraction is 3 by 5 plus partial pressure of octane is 420 into its mole fraction is 2 by 5. 556 the 584 jump. Then becomes 56 into 3 plus 84 into 2. 56 into 3 becomes 168 plus 84 into 2. It also becomes 168. But it's now 168 plus 168. The total value is 336. Then total vapor pressure is equal to 336 mm of mercury. So option D is our correct answer.